Alright guys, we're back. We're working on the off-leash recall. I don't know, it looks like it might be getting ready to rain, but maybe not. Anyway, so you're always looking for your opportunity when the dog is moving. Dallas! Good boy. Dallas! Good boy. This is a little bit of a head shaker because that collar strap is too long. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're a beagle. You can sniff it out. No. Anyway, Alan, you're not watching this because you're on the cruise, but Dallas kept me up all night last night. Even little Screechy couldn't sleep. All right, so we got Susie over there. I'm trying to trim her down, Phil. Susie! Good girl! Good girl! All through. That boxer has an incredible reach. Ah! Too good. Harley? And the reason I did that like that, Neil, because he was running away. I already had speed. I was just changing its direction. That's what you guys at home want to do. When you see it moving like that, you've already got your speed. You just need to change the speed's direction. Oh, that little dog went around the corner. Harley! Good boy! Oh, look at him go. He's learning bad habits from that boxer. Oh, my God. Oh, that little bulldog. That boxer's fascinated with the water. Dallas out somehow. So he sleeps and all night long that dog kept me up. Oh, I don't like him going in the bushes. Blue! Susie! Good girl. All right, is there somebody else in the bushes? What's that noise over there? Huh? Is that Winter?
No.
What? It's not? Are you sure?
It's a car over there.
Oh, okay. All right, look, there goes that boxer. Blue! Oh, I'm after having Lulu here and this one, I'm concluding that, good boy, Blue. Boxers make fast direction changes. All right, Dallas went into the bushes over there. Oh, he'll come back out. Dallas! Oh, Screechy, don't you jump, Screechy. Oh, my God. I don't know if you guys remember Dallas. When he first came, he was very food aggressive. That's why he was here. All right, look, there goes that boxer off in the bushes again. I'm going to tap him with a little nick. Blue? Oh, sorry, he's pooping in the bushes, sorry. When that happens, you just say nothing. Listen, Screechy, you're learning bad habits. I swear to God, the thing just pooped, or I wouldn't have thought it was getting ready to do that again. Uh-oh, we got some giant moles. Look at these giant mole tracks. Harley? You can see how much faster Harley's going. Oh, he just inhaled the food. All through. Uh-oh, there's some kind of big hole right here. What is this big hole, Victoria?
Armadillo, maybe?
All right, we need to remember to fill that in. All right, get over there. That little bulldog is taking off. Oh, it's really, actually a really nice day out. Oh, Susie. I'm just very cranky, guys, because Dallas kept me up all night long. Screeching and whining. Even little Screechy couldn't sleep. All right, there goes that boxer off into the bushes again. Is he pooping again? Good Lord. Good Lord. He's doing great on that wellness, though, Marshall, and that's the core wellness. I mean, he's not gaining weight. Harley? Good boy! See how much speed we got right there now. Good. All right, listen, that's a little too much speed. Hey! Told you about him. Oh no, I told them all about him. You know, people that think beagles are these sweet, lovable dogs, I beg to differ. We got that other one that comes here, Minnie. All right, who just went in the bushes? That was Gwencha. Can you page her for me? And there goes that boxer. Blue! Gwencha! Good boy. Oh, there goes Susie into the bushes. Come on, with a little nip right there. You do want to use a little. Susie! Definitely don't want them going in the bushes. Page Gwencha for me. She's in her own little world. Gwencha! Gwencha! Good girl! Good girl! Gwencha! Which Gwencha's been coming here for years and years, you guys. She was actually... Oh, I'm sorry, Gwencha. All right, let's go. All through. I know you guys aren't going to believe me, and we didn't do the videos back then, but when it even saw another dog, so help me God, 1.5 miles away, it would start screaming and screeching and baring every tooth in its mouth. Look, Screechy's going in the bushes over there. All right, I'm going to get him with a little nick, you know. Yeah. I didn't even get a chance. Honestly, they start to sort of... Harley. Sort of start to get a tempo of what you're doing. Blue? All through. Oh, Muffin. Muffin wants it all. Susie? Good girl. So even though the dog was completely stationary, it did start running back to me. And that's because that's how we've conditioned them, you guys. I mean, Susie? Good. Well, that big old girl, that was pretty fast change of direction, don't you think, Victoria?